Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel is all about beauty, hair, wigs, alright, fun stuff, okay? And my name is Nyasha and I'm the owner of Mercy Couture Wigs. So today I just want to basically be completely transparent, and I was watching something over the weekend and this very popular YouTuber was talking about how she had hair loss and how she had hair loss from stress. And it was very, very, very heartbreaking because I understand how it feels to spend so many years, so much money, putting great products in your hair, treating your hair, taking care of your hair, and then to have in one splickety second your hair just fall out. You know what I'm saying? Like completely fall out. So I have experienced very, very bad, I call it heat damage, where I went to a Dominican salon, and not no shade against any Dominican salons, but I'm just gonna have to be upfront and frank. And I went there a week later, washed my hair out because I got a silk press, and my hair literally was breaking off. Like I had hair that was down to here, and then I had hair that was down to here. Like it was patchy. It was horrible. I was literally pulling hair out, and it was so heartbreaking. I was so just shocked. In shock that I didn't even cry. I was just like, this can't be real. This can't be happening. But one of the things that really stuck with me were my edges. So this video is basically all about your edges, okay? And how I found a way to grow back my edges. Nothing that I've read anywhere that anybody on YouTube was talking about. None of this rice water stuff. None of this aloe vera stuff. None of this, and none of that, okay, grew back my edges. And when I say grew back my edges, I'm going to take this wig off. I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm going to show you what my edges look like, okay? And then I'm also going to show you what they looked like before, because it's a huge difference. Now, this is going to be a quick video because the secrets to what this is coming up at the end of the video. So you have to watch the video in order for me to tell you the secret of what I used and what helped me out with growing my edges. Now, before I take this wig off, when I say my edges and me have gone through it, we have gone through it. I have had braids that have pulled out my edges when you didn't realize that that white part of your hair is actually probably your little follicle that's coming out, and now you done pulled out half your edges. I didn't had quick weave glue on my edges when quick weaves were like super popular like 10-15 years ago. That joint was crazy. I've had actual hair glue when the lace started coming out. I've had glue on my edges, and it's always this edge. Maybe it's because I part my hair on this side, so I probably need to be equal opportunity with it, but thank gosh I didn't. But that pulled out my edges. It was like a really tough journey with me and my edges. And then I have my husband on the other hand telling me, oh my god, where's your hair, where's your hair? As you can see, the hair is gone. It was gone. Alright, so now fast forward, my hair fell out. I don't have any edges. I'm trying my best. I don't know what's going on. I'm like desperate. I'm desperate. One thing that helped my hair grow though was my Mercy Couture Herbal Infusion Rose Oil with lots and lots and lots of like organic and herbs and everything, and I let it basically sit in a bucket and just have all the juices just infused together, and it's amazing. The key ingredient I like is almond oils in it. So almond oil is not really greasy. However, I wouldn't use it if I was getting a silk press because you don't want to put any oil on your hair when you get a silk press. Maybe like a serum, and this is not a serum, it's an oil. And I use it especially when I have my braids on, and I put it around my perimeter, and I did notice some growth. But I was like, okay, I'm using this more as a moisturizer for my hair when the braids are in, and putting it in my scalp so it moisturizes my scalp. However, I'm seeing some hair growth, but I need a little bit more hair growth, which a lot of the nutrients and the ingredients in there promotes hair growth. But what I didn't realize was that maybe I have something else different, because my hair is growing. It's growing fast, but something's going on else internally that I'm not familiar with. So what did I have to do? I went to the dermatologist. Yes, ladies. I said all this aloe vera, all of this, all of that. I just went right to the source because I'm like, listen, this is my scalp. And aren't they skin doctors? Your scalp is skin. So they basically can help you out. I was trying to figure out whether my hair had fallen out, whether my follicles were dead, whether whatever. Why did she tell me about this treatment? Okay, this treatment that she told me, I'm telling you, it was worth every penny. Okay, and I did research about it, and some people have results after like second month. Yeah, it's not overnight, but it, you know, listen, you didn't have any hair before, so what you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Okay, you ain't had any hair before, you might get some hair now. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, what she used was steroids. Steroids on my head. This is a treatment that people use to make to activate the follicles so they can grow back. It stimulates the follicles and they grow back. Like literally grow back. If she could put this thing all over my head, I'm probably going to go back again because I just want to test it out because I still see a little bit more. I can still see there might be some progress or needs more progress in this side, which I'm going to show you in a second. But for the most part, steroids. So the brief okay, so the info behind the steroids is it's better if you have health insurance. I'm going to keep on. You need health insurance because I don't know how much it costs regular to just get it if you go to a dermatologist. But if you have health insurance, you can go to a dermatologist. And if you're spending $400 and something on a wig every month or something like that, you got money to go and fix your edges unless you don't care about your edges. Now, that's on you. I'm not, you know, I'm not judging. I'm not forcing anyone to do anything. And I just want to give a disclaimer. I'm not saying this works for everyone. If your follicles are dead, from what I've researched and what the doctor said, well, let me not say what she said, but from what I've researched, if your follicles are dead, they're pretty much dead. You know what I'm saying? Now, you may to try like women's Rogaine or something, but I heard when you take that, you have to keep taking it because if you stop, then your hair follicles die again. That's what I heard too from someone. But do your own research. Don't follow me because I'm not a doctor. I am not a cosmetologist. I am just someone who loves hair and did a lot of research, and it actually worked for me. So I'm just telling you what worked for me. Yes, steroids. Oh my gosh. It doesn't make you buff or anything. It didn't give me a headache. The only thing that happened was the needle's like so tiny. It's a little bit, she just does little dots all over your hairline or wherever you said that you need the most. But one thing is good, if you feel the pain, that means your follicles are kind of working. That's what she said. That if you do feel something, that's good. Alright, so ready? Ready. Okay. Yes. So, as you can see, before I had no hair over here. No hair whatsoever over here. I have hair, and then I have like little baby hairs that are growing because this was gone. It was gone. It was just nothing there. It was like baby butt. Okay, it was clean and smooth. Alright, and then you notice that there was hair missing. And then the hair would never grow. Alright, but I don't always wear this wig cap, but I am now. This side, all of this was thin. All of this was thin. Like I had a whole bald spot like going on back here. But as you can see now, this side grew. This side really grew. Oh my god. I'm like super hyped that it grew. All of this, yeah. So it took me about like 4 months to really like see. I started seeing a little growth on this side, but for this to be completely even, I have a new hairline. I didn't have all this hair before. This side though, I'm gonna go back because I started growing more hair here and more hair like around here, but this middle part was where I was trying to focus on. And from what I'm gathering, I think that my follicles are dead in that area. But luckily, if the hair grows around it, and I'm going to go back again, but if the hair grows around it, maybe, you know, I've been able to cover it. So that's been the good thing, because it was basically nothing there. But it's like filled in. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it. But it's very fine hair, and I can add some baby hair, so that way it can like cover whatever bald spot. But I'm telling you, this was amazing. Insurance covers it, because I guess if you have alopecia or anything, then that is a medical condition. So they help you out, and it depends what insurance you have. But I'm telling you, this is amazing. It was amazing. It really helped my hair. My husband noticed a difference. As you can see from the before and after pictures, it really did something. I am going to plop back on my wig, and the wigs helped out as well. Alright, the wigs helped out with my hair growth mostly. Not so much on my edges. I didn't really focus on my edges at the moment, but I focused more so on my, I didn't put any tight braids. Now, don't go in and start adding glue to your hair and all that stuff. You got to take care of your edges, okay? So, if your edges are thin or anything, or if they're thinning, or if they're bald, just stop adding more trauma to it, okay? Just treat your edges nice, alright? Your edges, they may grow back, they may not. But I'm telling you, if you go to the dermatologist, ask them about steroids, tell them about your hair condition, they can probably help. Don't be scared, okay? Don't be shy. Everybody, that's what they're there for. They're doctors. They're physicians, okay? They study this stuff. They live for this stuff. So go there and get your whole life back, like aka edges, and get yourself some steroids. Talk to your doctor. They'll decide whether it's right for you or not based on your medical history. But I'm just telling you, bring it up to them, see what they have to say. It could be life-changing. Alright, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Later.